Hey guys, welcome back. And today we are going to discuss a pretty useful report, which is going to help you with your driver floor pay. And it's going to be regarding hours worked. So if you go to reports, navigate to the driver section and hit hours worked, you will see that now you can select a location if you want an independent or hourly driver type, and then you can do it by driver only. But let's just pull 1 week's worth and see what we get. So we'll just leave everything on default and we'll generate a report. Now you can see the dates when the drivers checked in, when they checked in and when they checked out. You can see how many deliveries, hours, and if they had any hourly rate and pay. So in this case, we don't really have anybody on driver floor pay basically. So these fields are going to be 0. But if you have, for example, a $15 minimum for driver floor pay, and they made an average of $13 an hour, then you will see the amount paid here in this field right here. Now, what you can change here is you can see a couple of things. If you uncheck this, which says use check-in time as start of the shift, if you uncheck it, which is checked in by default, you will get a different check-in time. So look at these times right here. So we have 6:01, 5:05, 12:04, 5:56, for example, right? So let's just generate that report and see how these numbers change. So we have 6:01 and now it's 6:11. Then we had 5:05. Now it's 5:26. And what this does is basically takes the time, the first arrive time, right? So the first order they got, and then it's going to take that time instead of when they actually checked in. Now, if you uncheck this field, which says use checkout time as end of shift, you will see that we have 10:02, 10:01, 4:13. We'll uncheck that. And what this is going to do is the final delivery time. So the last order they delivered is actually going to be calculated if you need that. Now we also have an option to only display drivers with orders, or only display drivers that have time clocked in but they didn't actually process any orders. So if there is a driver that, for example, ran orders, right? Actually, sorry, if they checked in like they were a backup, you promised them like $10 an hour to be on standby, but they didn't get any orders that shift, you can check this and it will only show you those drivers. Now, the way that AutoPay works is it will only actually pay out drivers that processed at least one order. So if you made like a verbal agreement with a driver and say, hey, I'll give you $10 an hour to be on standby, I need you to stay checked in, and they stay checked in for, let's say, 2 hours, right? So now you owe them $20, but the AutoPay is not going to pay them anything because they didn't process a single order. So you would use this option right here to quickly check if in that week or in that day you had anybody who was checked in, didn't have any orders, so you can see exactly how much you need to pay them. Yeah, if you have any questions about this, please let us know. We hope you find this useful, and we will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.